Alright, what's up, YouTube? Take a little bit of ride in the trails. Try and do this one-handed. It's kind of hard to hold on. One-handed is like totally different ride one-handed. Gotta watch out, I gotta put a doggone clutch sprocket on. Need something to cover up the clutch. We'll just go this way. Oh, so scary holding on with one hand. Over back there on the go-kart over there on that turn back there. Whoa! Like the doorway to the trail. Can't go that way no more. We gotta cut down a tree. There's a big old tree. I love that trail going that way. Wonder if I can make it to the lake. This is good enough. All right. I had to get out of the house. I had to do something relaxing. I gotta try and get up to the dealership. My truck is up there. I just don't have the full money, you know what I'm saying, right now. And what I told them I get paid on the 3rd. And now it's like a big old, I don't know, miscommunication. I don't know, miscommunication. I don't know. Alright, I like this bike. We got to figure out a way to mount the phone. If I had some duct tape on me, I could mount you guys to the handlebar. But I want to try and make it to the lake. So I'm going to pause it. No, I don't know. I don't think I can pause it. I'm going to try and ride over that rut right there. In between them trees. I don't think we take that way. I know we go between there. I think that's going to go to the lake. Can I turn you guys sideways? Ooh, can I do this? I wonder if it's still a video recording. It's probably a video recording my face though. You guys probably see my nose and everything. That ain't gonna work. It's all zooming in. Let me watch that.